Hello classmates, this is Tina Gote again. Here I am doing my personal bio for our final course, Public Administration and Management. I am an elementary school English teacher with 20 years of human resource management experience. I was born in New York and I recently moved to Jacksonville, Florida, where I am beginning a new opportunity working for the DoD on the Mayport base as an education professional. With successful completion of this course, I will earn a bachelor's degree in public safety administration and management this spring. I have also extended my educational goals to include a BAS in supervision and management that I hope to complete by this summer. And then I will continue on to the master's by hopefully by fall, as long as all plans stay on course. My long-term goal is to support communities in emergency management with mitigation strategies and recovery, thereby being able to support communities after the unfortunate incidents that occur or the resulting of natural disasters or any other type of disasters that can occur. I look forward to continuing to work with everyone, and thank you so much for our great class this evening. Have a great day.